Hello guys, good morning. This is follow up on my broker. So in my last video, some people asked me what is your broker and why you choose that broker. I have done more videos before about brokerage firm, and that you should choose your broker according to your needs. Okay. It's not a broker that it is like very famous. What do? You give him more commission and they ask more fees. For what? Okay, so you are just feeding these brokers with money and trading a lot. There are a lot of things that I have spoken about. If you just think about it, check your broker, check your trading, how many trades you do in a month. Try to calculate your fees. If you pay for news, if you pay for your software to trade, anything that you pay extra than the commission itself, okay, you will see that you are spending too much money, okay, and this money will eat up your profit. Okay, if you make a profit, for example, let's say we make a profit 1,000 a month, just an example. If you take $500 or $600 for fees, commissions, and it means you will have nothing, and then plus tax, you will end up having nothing. Okay, that's why I ask people to try to make a comparison between these brokers. Okay, so my broker that I'm using has the cheapest commission. Okay, cheapest commission in the market. It means if you go and if you have a broker, if you are beginning trading, you have a broker, see how much commission you use. Now when you sign up for my broker, you don't need to have money. It means you can open an account without putting any money. You can put $100, $200, or $1,000 later, but it's not a need. But if you need to find opportunity and to trade, you should have money. This is normal. Now you compare the commission in my broker and the commission of your broker or any other broker, and you will see the difference. There are no fees. It means in my strategy that I'm showing you, and I'm doing it my trading, my training and my coaching. I don't pay for anything except the commission, and I don't do a lot of trades. I do from 1 to 5 trades a month maximum. Okay. Now why I don't do a lot? Because it's swing trading. I'm looking for small to big trends, and I follow them. Okay, my strategy gives me the way to spot some stocks when they begin their like a trend. So there are techniques that I show in my training. It shows how to do that. Okay, so if you do a lot of commissions, a lot of trades, suppose I have seen, you go online and you see $7, $10. Let's say just an example, $10. If you buy a stock and you sell a stock, you get $20 commission. Now $20 is too much money. If you continue like that, doing trades, trades each week, 5, 6, 7. If you are doing day trading, you will have a problem, a real problem. If you do 5, if you have $2,000, you do 5 trades a week. 5 trades is $100. Okay, 5 trades is $100. It means around you buy and you sell. It's what 4 weeks is $400. From this $2,000. You end up paying like 22% of your money. Okay, you lose all this money because you don't choose the best broker for you. Now, some people, they try to buy the news. It means they do a membership, $1 or $2 or $5 or $10 each month. to have the news. You know, try to be logical always. Do you think that when you get the news, you get the news before the big guys? Yeah, this is funny. I see people paying for news. You shouldn't pay for the news. What do you do with this news? Okay? If they say to you that someone last night has bought a lot of shares and the stock was $10, today is $15. It is $15. It's the news has been compromising in the stock price. It's over. Now when they pay the news, when you pay for the news, you pay for nothing. Okay? That's why the news, when you see TV, the news are free. Okay? Because you watch, and when you watch TV, other people, they do advertisement, they make their money from you watching. They entertain you. So news is for entertainment. Except when you are a professional trader in day trading. You see the news and you see the traders, how do they react to the news. It's not the news itself that gives you the money. It's the reaction of the public, or what we call the herd mentality people. It means all the public, they lose all their money. So these people, you get the money from these guys because they don't know how to trade. Okay, so this is one thing. You shouldn't pay, especially when you do my training or my way of trading. You don't need news. You don't need any information about the company. No information at all. You don't follow fundamentals like earnings, like you don't follow anything of these. What you see is the price. The price is the king. The price shows you any movement in the stock. I will show you in my training. If you sign up, I will show you a way that any movement you detect it in any stock. If you are following some stocks and you want to trade them very well, my training is for that. Okay. So for the broker, we say you don't pay for news. You don't pay for a chart. I'm using a free chart. If you have a lot of money, like 100,000, 200,000, $500,000, and you need more sophisticated chart because you are doing futures, or you're doing other things, or forex or something, at that time you need a professional chart. Like this chart is free, but there is a professional chart that you can pay for, but you are paying. So you should have money to pay for this because you need it in your transactions. But for my strategy, you don't need. I will give you a free chart to download, and all the features that you need, how to search industries, sectors. It gives you all the things. You just search. You put in a watch list, and then you begin doing your trading. Okay? So you don't need news. You don't need to pay fees for anything else. So, and with the good thing with the cheapest commission, you will see that there is a big difference of the way you do business before and when you do business after I showed you how to do business. Okay? And there are some people online, they are brokers. They try to advertise for their software. They have the for their brokers. It's very good. You can check them, but always be critical. Criticize the thing and compare brokers before you go and you have a broker. Okay? Now the broker makes the money from the fees, from the commission, and sometimes they have like the spread also. Some people they have the spread between the bid and ask. So this is all for the broker. So you should think. You should stop trading. Think twice. Choose your broker. Choose a good training to start with. When you begin to know how to trade, it's the real beginning for you. It means you have the basis and you just continue. Now trading is is a long process. It's not even if you get a training, it is not in one day you become professional. Okay, you need time because you need to control yourself. This is trading. Control yourself. There are a lot of things that you do, like gambling, but it is not trading. You think that you are trading, you are making business, but it is not. Okay, you are doing risky investment, risky trading. Instead of making money, you are losing money, and most of the traders you are losing money. Sometimes they have some trades, they have some money, but this money is lost afterwards. Okay, so this is for broker. Now, if you have any question related to the broker or how to compare brokers or something, there are websites you can go. You can go and Google and write compare brokers firm or something. They will give you a lot of stuff. But most of the time they give you the expensive ones. The expensive ones, you see this in commission. My broker is less than $5. Okay, if you find less than $5, maybe it will be my broker, or it will be the same as my broker. If you find more, like 7, 6, 10, 15, 25, those are for big traders, big investors who need help to buy thousands of shares or millions of shares. So you have 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000. You have a very tiny account, so you don't need to pay extra money for this broker firms. Okay, this is just an advice on brokerage firm. And now, if you want to use my broker, send me your full name, your first name and your last name, and your personal email. Okay, send it to me in my personal private message. Don't send your email into the comment, because some people, they can take your email and they can spam you. Okay, so send it to me as in my private message from YouTube, from your YouTube to my YouTube box, like inbox, and I will send you a link and you will do. Now, if you watch a video, if you like what you see, if it's better than your broker, you just sign up. You don't need to put money. Okay, it's there is no minimum. It's zero minimum. Now, later you can put $100, $200, $1,000, $5,000, depending on your account, or you want just to try it. Okay, so when you find your money, your account, whatever with money, even with $10 or $100, $1,000, I will get a commission. This commission is like free trades or some money, but it's not that much. But it is, for me, I'm just trying to help. As I help you, you help me. So I'm not having this money. This money is like for free trades. That's it. It's not too much money or something. Okay. So this is all for a brokerage firm, and I have done just a video about training and coaching. If you have any questions related to those, please send me a private message, and we will discuss everything with you. That's it for today, for this video about brokerage firms. If you have any questions, just comment or send me a private message. Thank you very much, and have a good weekend.